Hello students, today we will start our last chapter of quarterly syllabus, was and were. Now children, as I explained earlier in chapter number 13, these verbs are known as auxiliary verb or helping verb. And what are helping verb or auxiliary verb? An auxiliary verb is a verb that adds functional and grammatical meaning to the sentence. And these helping verbs and auxiliary verbs are very important. These are known as primary verbs. Now children, where we will use was and where we will use where. Now children, come to this point. What is written here? Just have a look. Was and were are called auxiliary verbs. They are used in the past tense. Where we will use? These are used in the past tense. We use was with I, he, she and it. That means we use was with I, he, she and it, or you can see we use was with singular number and in the past tense. And we use were with we, you and they. So we will use were with we, you, they or with plural forms. Clear students? So these things are very important. You have to learn this. Take this in your book. Learn this point. Now come to your exercise. What is given here? Fill in the blanks with was and were. What are our sentences? Just have a look. What first is done for you? We dash at the theater last evening. As you can see here subject is we, so we will use here were. We were at the theater last evening. Come to the next one. I dash absent yesterday. As what I explained earlier, we can use was with I. So I was absent yesterday. In this way you have to complete all. Come to the next question. Complete the following using was and were. One is done for you. Just have a look. We shocked at the news. So how we will connect this? We were shocked at the news. Come to the next question. Communication difficult in the older days. So how we will connect? Communication were difficult in the older days. We'll take another example. Mr. Meher dash a rich man. Mr. Meher was a rich man. In this way you have to complete all. Now come to the next question. Write negative statement using wasn't and weren't. We have to write negative statement by using these two, wasn't and weren't. Just have a look how we will solve it. I was at home this morning. So how we will make negative sentence? I wasn't at home this morning. I wasn't. You have to write wasn't here in place of was. Come to the next sentence. Peter and I were present at the function. So what we will write here? Peter and I weren't present at the function. In this way we have to complete all. Come to the next example. Suppose it's number 4. She was proud of her riches. So how we will write this? She wasn't proud of her riches. So how can we write negative statement? We can write negative statement by using wasn't and weren't. Clear student? Now come to the next question. Question number 4. What is written here? Make questions using was and were. Now students, How we will create questions? What we have to do? Just have a look. First is done for you. I was at a concert last night. So what is question here? Where were you last night? So in this way we have to complete all. Come to the next one. I was late because I missed my bus. So what is our question? How we will make question for this statement? Why were you late? Why was you late? Put a question mark. Okay, students, in this way you have to complete all. Come to the next one. He was preparing for his exam yesterday. So how we will make questions? What was he doing yesterday? In this way you have to complete all. Now come to the next thing. Now chapter is clear. So what are the key points of this chapter? Was and were are called auxiliary verb and they are used in the past tense. We can use was with I, he, she and it along with singular number. And we can use will with we, you and they and plural numbers. Okay children, we can write a negative statement by using wasn't and weren't, and we can make questions. How we will make questions? So this I explained in this question. So quarterly syllabus, all chapters of quarterly syllabus was over now. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.